Hi, I'm Peter from Peter Industry, a leading hygienic process instrumentation in food and beverage industry. Today we're going to review an amazing product from Negele, the ILM4 conductivity sensor in food and beverage industry. So, first of all, why we need to know conductivity in the food and beverage production? Well, normally different production process have different liquids with different conductivity value. So we can use conductivity sensor to differentiate from the production phases. Normally there are 4 main applications that we can use conductivity sensor. Number 1, concentration measurement for revamping the cleaning solutions. If the concentration is too low, then we can add concentrate enough to maintain the cleaning effect. Number 2, product differentiation. We can use conductivity sensor to recognize the different product phases in production, like orange juice or apple juice or other syrup. If something wrong, we recognize and stop the production. If something wrong we didn't recognize, then maybe a lot of product have been filled and we have to dispose. And the third application is in the CIP process. It is for CIP separation between the phases. With the acid steps, different with the caustic step or different with the water step. So conductivity sensor can help us to know which process is running at the moment. And the fourth application is differentiate product and water in food and production. So it not diluted in the water. Alright, so let's review in detail this amazing product. It is incredible. It includes a transmitter, a sensor, and a process adapter. So this is the transmitter. As you can see, it's very compact and robust, made of stainless steel 316L IP69K. It has integrated with the display for parameter indication, and it also has 2 touch buttons for setting up the parameters, and it also has 2 diagnostic LED to indicate the status of the device, and it has 3 electrical connection, 3 ports. This port is to connect to the sensor, to the remote sensor, and this is the traditional 4 to 20 milliamp output, the conductivity value, and this is the IO-Link port, IO-Link communication for what we call Industry 4.0. That means we can connect to the network of smart device in the control system, and we can collect a lot of different data for the diagnostic, for the status, for the value in digitally. And the measuring range is from 0 to 1000 millisiemens per centimeter, and it can operate up to 150 degrees Celsius in CIP and SIP mode, and it's suitable for the washed down environment in food and beverage. Should be no problem. IP69K. Okay, and this is the sensor, conductivity sensor. You see the sensor head made of big material, FDA approved, and the sensor stem is stainless steel 316L and electrical connection with M-tail connector. And this is IP69K for washed down environment. It is very, very robust. And the measuring range also from 0 to 100 to 1000 millisiemens, working perfectly in the hot temperature in CIP up to 150 degrees Celsius. And this sensor operates based on the inductive principle, referred to the microfarad laws of induction. There are two coins inside, the sender coins and the receiver coin. An alternative current applied to the sender coins, which generates a induced current running in the media, but the media must be conductive media. And this induced current generates another magnetic field in the receiver coin, which in turn induces a current flow in the receiver coin. And the strength of the current flow in the receiver coin depends on the conductivity of the media. So we can calculate the conductivity of the media based on the strength, the current flow in the receiver coin. And as conductivity depends on the temperature, so this sensor also integrated one temperature sensor, PT1000, for error compensation to maintain the high accuracy of the device. Alright, and this is the process connection. Anderson Negele has outstanding process connection, clean adapt. It requires no O-rings, no gasket or sealants, and it is maintenance free and no dead leg. And also other process connection like a dry clamp, berry vent, dairy flanks, also available in Anderson Negele. Process connection for hygienic in food and beverage. So, what makes Anderson Negele conductivity sensor is so special? 4 things. It meets, number 1, it meets all the food and beverage and pharmaceutical standards. And number 2, hygienic by design, very robust and also reliable, flexible design, very reliable. And number 3, it is the hybrid technology. It can use traditional 4 to 20 milliamps, or it can use IO-link communication for connect to the smart control system, and it change the data, and it's allowed to collect the data even to cloud. And number 4, very important, guarantee for 5 years. It is an excellent performance commitment from Anderson Negele. So I would say that Anderson Negele conductivity is one of the best choice for food and beverage industry. It is a great product. Okay, that's all for today. Should you require any additional questions, please give us a call or drop an email. I hope you enjoyed today's review, and if you did, kindly give me a thumbs up, leave comments, or subscribe our channel. With that, I see you next time. Thank you so much.